Hi, my name is Mike Warner. I'm with Construction Specialties. We're here at the Lawrence Home Show. A lot of things to look at today, but right now we're here with our electrical expert, JJ Williams. What are you here to talk to us about today, JJ?
Today we brought some displays of lighting that we help customers upgrade with their kitchens and bathrooms. Most of the time when we're doing electrical work, we find that kitchens and bathrooms are suffering in lighting. And it's really one of the better upgrades, I think, in kitchens and bathrooms to get the lighting up to a good level, get it the right color, and it really adds a lot to the kitchen. It can really also add a lot to the value to your home. And it's one of the first things people notice coming into their kitchen is what the lighting is about. So it's fun projects to work on. We really like working on the kitchens and bathrooms.
There are plenty of challenges in remodeling in general, but as far as lighting goes, what are some of the challenges that you help people get over in a new or potentially even an old house?
Like for kitchens, for example, oftentimes we'll walk into a house and you'll just see one old light fixture in the center of the room and it's not really doing much. It's adequate light, but not great light. More often than not, we're changing a single light fixture into multiple recessed can lights. The recessed can lights provide a lot of evenly spaced room. Another way we can get more accent lighting is with track lighting and monorail lighting, which is more of a spot type of light. The other really good thing I like is the under cabinet lighting, which is a very good upgrade. More often than not, when you're in a kitchen, you're going to see some fluorescents that are flickering or just aren't a very good color temperature. And we put in new LED tape light, which gives a very evenly lit light, and it just really helps display the backsplash and helps your work surface area.
One of the challenges in a new house or potentially even an old house is switching and zoning and dimming. Good Energy can help us a lot with that, and they have many options. Would you like to speak to that?
Yeah, we've got several kinds of dimmers specifically designed for LED. We can do smart dimming where you can control it from your phone. One of the most important things is to get the switching right in the kitchen so that where you're walking in, there's always a place to turn on a light and that it's more thought out. A lot of times people have to walk across the room to flip something on, or it's just not switched in the right place. So
all these things that we're talking about, there's a lot of things to choose from. I think you brought a few things for us to look at today.
Yep. Let's go ahead and take a look. Here we've got just some small demos of the LED under cabinet tape lighting. There's several different color temperatures on the scale here. This guy up here at the top is a lower on the warmer scale of color temperature, and we're kind of staying in this zone or this zone here, which is around 3000 K, to give a warm light. Some people, when they have white cabinets, may want to jump to a higher color temperature. Gives quite a different look, but it depending on what your decor is. And the lights look very harsh, but when they're installed, we put lenses on them and they diffuse really well, and how much they dissipate is really done well. So it's good stuff.
One of the most recent projects that we did was over on the west side of town. It's got a lot of blue and whiter colors, and the brighter light works really well. Would you like to talk about that?
Yeah. So typically we use a softer color temperature, but on that project we actually switched to a higher color temperature because of the decor in the house. And it looks pretty white here, but with the way the cabinets were laid out, it matched it really nice. You don't want too warm of a light if everything is white, because the contrast starts to look strange. So it's really about knowing what type of color temperature is good for the fit of the room, and that's another thing that we really try to get right when we install everything. One other thing we didn't mention is the level of output with tape light. There's lower levels of output available and very, very high. If you can look here, there is a point where it gets pretty darn bright, and this guy's pretty bright. It's a higher output tape. And there's always dimming options on these so that you can control it if you have something this bright.
Many times on a kitchen, people are interested in potentially not $100,000 kitchen remodel, we can taper that down and tailor it to your kitchen. And one of the greatest ways that we can accent what you have or the small improvements that we may do rather than doing a large input is doing upgraded lighting, especially a high output LED under cabinet lighting. Thank you for watching. Please come down and visit us, and JJ, give us a call. JJ?
Glad that I got to be here with Construction Specialties. We look forward to working on future projects with them. You can reach us directly at 785-979-2249. We're always excited to talk about a new lighting project and see if we can help your needs.
Have a great day.